Good afternoon, Spectrum Middle School and High School students. It's Mr. Leland coming to you on a beautiful Wednesday afternoon. Mr. Heineke and I have been collaborating on an idea during this week, and we are asking and encouraging your participation in something that we hope is a really cool product for our teachers next week, as it will be Teacher Appreciation Week starting on May 4th through May 8th. All right, so this is a secret, number one, so please do not spill the beans. Don't tell your teachers that you guys are doing this, but what we are working on is we are working on creating a video for middle school and a video for high school teachers, two separate videos. We are asking middle school students and high school students to either create a 4 to 5 second video clip of yourselves thanking your teachers for all the things that they've done for you, or you can simply create a some type of physical sign that says thank you, snap a photo of yourself, and send that in. Okay, and so 4 to 5 seconds for the videos, or snap a photo of yourself. You're going to send these files into Mr. Haley, whose email will be in the email that this particular video comes to you in. What we're going to do, obviously, we are going to compile those photos and those videos to create slideshows for each of our groups of teachers, and then we are going to roll that out to them middle to end of next week at some point in time. We are asking you to not point out specific teachers in your thank yous during this time, and what we would rather have you do instead is next week at some point in time, reach out to them on an individual basis if you have those individual thank yous to give to them. We really want this video to be all-inclusive for middle school teachers and all-inclusive for high school teachers. Please be sure that when you send them in, that you title each of them as Middle School Teacher Appreciation if you're a middle school student, or High School Teacher Appreciation if you're a high school student. So that should be in the title. The deadline for this, we're on a crunch here, so the deadline for this is going to be Tuesday afternoon, so Tuesday, May 6th at 4 p.m. Let's come together. Let's show our teachers how much we care about them, how much we appreciate the work that they've done for us during the school year and throughout our education. And again, thank you guys for participating.